to our lessons, dance with dinner, TPR fun with food, vocabulary. It's here expected that we're gonna use our bodies to move, everything that we're gonna do. Hello language learners, welcome to our TPR adventure where words come alive through movement. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of food vocabulary. Get ready to dance with dinner. First, let's warm up those language muscles. TPR stands for Total Physical Response. It's all about using our bodies to learn. Ready? Let's chop, stir, and whisk. For our second segment, food vocabulary, meet our food stars. Say hello to pizza, banana, and chocolate. Now show me your best bite and sip gestures. For our segment 3, ordering at the cafe. Welcome to our imaginary cafe. Example, I am a waiter and I will ask you if what can I serve you today, and for you, if possible, you'd like a pizza please. And for me, I said perfect. And for dessert, and for you, student or customer, you can respond to me a chocolate cake, and I will set great choices. Bon appetit. Remember, TPR makes learning tasty. Keep dancing, keep exploring, and keep those language taste buds tingling. Until next time, thank you.